Does Tide need euros? Unveiling the global reach of Procter & Gamble. Ever stop to wonder, while washing that stubborn coffee stain on your favorite shirt, where exactly your detergent comes from? I mean, sure, it's on the shelf at your local store, but the journey to get there might surprise you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of global supply chains, using Tide detergent as our springboard. Buckle up, because we're about to ask a question that might seem strange at first. Does Tide even have a Euro account? Setting the stage, P&G, a global giant. The Procter & Gamble Company, or P&G for short, is the powerhouse behind Tide. They're a multinational consumer goods giant, meaning their products span continents and cultures. From laundry detergents like Tide to shampoos like Pantene, P&G has its fingers in countless everyday items we use. But here's the thing, running a global business requires a complex financial infrastructure. Different countries have different currencies, and international transactions involve a lot of moving parts. So, to answer our initial question, it's not quite as simple as Tide having a single euro account. The intricacies of international finance. Imagine P&G selling Tide in Germany. They'd likely have a subsidiary, a smaller company operating under P&G's umbrella but specifically focused on the German market. This subsidiary would deal in euros, the currency of the European Union. Here's where things get interesting. P&G, the parent company, might have a master account in the United States, denominated in US dollars. So, how do euros earned in Germany get back to P&G headquarters? This is where foreign exchange markets, Forex for short, come in. The German subsidiary would convert their euros into USD at the current exchange rate and transfer the money to the master account. The role of subsidiaries and cash management. But wait, there's more. P&G might not just transfer all the euros back to the US. They might reinvest some of those profits into European operations. Maybe they're building a new factory in France, or perhaps they're running a marketing campaign in Italy. These decisions involve what's called cash management. The German subsidiary might hold onto some euros to cover these expenses. They might even have multiple euro accounts, one for day-to-day operations and another for larger investments. So, while Tide itself doesn't have its own bank account, the complex web of P&G subsidiaries likely includes several euro accounts strategically placed around Europe. Beyond euros, a global currency picture. Of course, euros are just one piece of the puzzle. P&G operates in countries with currencies like yen, yuan, and Brazilian real. The same principles of subsidiaries and cash management apply, just with different currencies in play. This global financial dance allows P&G to adapt to local markets while maintaining control over their finances. It's a delicate balancing act, ensuring they have the resources to keep those Tide pods flowing around the world. The human factor, people behind the money. But let's not forget the human element. Behind all these accounts and transactions are teams of accountants, analysts, and financial experts. They're the ones navigating currency fluctuations, managing risk, and ensuring smooth financial operations across borders. These individuals play a crucial role in the success of P&G, making sure the money keeps moving and the tide keeps cleaning, no matter where in the world you are. The supply chain, more than just money. Financial systems are just one part of the equation. Remember that question about where your detergent comes from? P&G has a vast global supply chain. Raw materials might be sourced from one country, manufacturing might happen in another, and finished products are shipped around the world. This logistical ballet requires even more financial considerations. Imagine Tide being manufactured in China and shipped to Europe. P&G needs to factor in things like import duties and currency conversions at every step of the way. The bigger picture, globalization at work. So, while Tide might not have a euro account in the traditional sense, the answer goes deeper. It reveals the intricate workings of a global corporation like P&G. It's a story of international finance, complex supply chains, and the talented people who make it all work.